hit by this.
You gotta guarantee me nothing, I just wanna see if I get lucky.
Still gonna get a hit for this already. Still gonna get hit by this Fanger. This might be our key. We're gonna get views out of this.
You and me, baby, you know we got it. So don't go getting me started. So if you're ready, and if you love me, I wanna see it in motion, in 3D. You won't regret it. Make it pretty, I wanna see it in motion.
I got you playing with yourself on camera. You my babe, sledgehammer. Speaking of bucks, I got doubles and now you gotta guarantee me nothing. I just wanna see if I get lucky. I just wanna meet you in the physical and see if you would touch me.
Hey! You made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat out.